Jungrilla. Hello everyone, welcome to my class. I'm your nice, good look. I'm sorry. I'm your Korean instructor, Jungrilla. Jung. Did you review and practice present tense and past tense enough? I hope you can get used to them at least a little more. Then, let's see if you could understand what we learned in the previous class. Are you ready? Okay, we learned former polite and former honorific forms in past tense, right? First, former polite form in past tense. When you want to say, I went to school, what do you have to say? Good. 나는 학교에 갔습니다. 갔습니다. And second, still former polite form in past tense. When you want to say, did he go to school? What do you have to say? Good. 그는 학교에 갔습니까? 갔습니까? Good. And the last thing, former honorific form in past tense. When you want to say, my father went to company, what do you have to say? Great. 아버지는 회사에 가셨습니다. 가셨습니다. Good. Well done. Don't get stressed too much about memorizing all of them, okay? Just slowly, step by step. Reviewing consistently is the most fundamental attitude and talent for making it to your goal. So, cheer up. Today, we're going to face postpositional particles, 조사 in Korean, especially ones for making nouns subject. Then, let's go! If you get satisfied with my video, please subscribe and click like. Thank you! Okay, can you see 4 sentences? 호수가 깨끗해요. 강이 깨끗해요. 호수는 깨끗해요. 강은 깨끗해요. 깨끗해요 is casual honorific form of 깨끗하다, which means to be clean, okay? And words in front, 호수 and 강 are nouns. And 호수 is a lake, 강 is a river. So, the meaning is, the lake is clean, the river is clean, okay? Good. Now, can you see the red portions, right? 가, 는, 이, 은, right? Those are the very postpositional particles, 조사 in Korean, okay? 조사 can't be used alone, okay? It has to be added right behind nouns or pronouns, okay? And they make them like subject, object, complement, and even verbs. Okay? You can understand me, right? Good. When you write a formal writing, you have to use 조사, okay? It's a must. In spoken Korean, however, we can sometimes skip it, okay? Today, we're going to learn 조사 for making subject. Are you excited? Then, let's figure it out. Okay, grammatically, there are 2 postpositional particles, 조사, for making subject, which is 이 and 가, okay? First, blah blah 이, okay? When there is a 받침 right in front of 조사, we use 이. For example, 연필이. So 연필, there is the 받침, right? 리을. So 연필이 길어요, like that. 길어요 is long, okay? To be long. So 연필이 길어요 is the pencil is long, okay? And 선생님이 잘생겼어요. 선생님, so there is a 받침 미음, right? 미음. So 선생님이 잘생겼어요. 잘생겼어요 is to be handsome, okay? So the teacher is handsome, like that. And 필통이 커요. There is a 받침 이응, right? So 필통이 커요. 필통 is pencil case, and 커요 is to be big. Okay, so the pencil case is big. And second, blah blah 가. When there is no 받침 right in front, we use 가. Okay, so 컴퓨터. There's no 받침, right? 컴퓨터가 비싸요. 비싸요 is to be expensive. Okay, to be expensive. So computer is computer. So computer is expensive. 컴퓨터가 비싸요. And 날씨가 좋아요. There's no 받침, right? 날씨가 좋아요. 날씨 is weather. Okay, so the weather is good. 좋아요 is good. To be good. So 날씨가 좋아요. And 사과가 맛있어요. 사과 is apple and there's no 받침, right? So 사과가 맛있어요. 맛있어요 is to be delicious. Okay? So the apple is delicious like that. You can understand me, right? Good. But when nouns are people's names, there's a small difference. First, if the names have no 받침, in that case, the rule is the same. So like 영수, there's no 받침, right? Then you just put 가, okay? 영수가 왔어요, like that. However, if the name has a 받침, of course we can just follow the rule like 영숙이 왔다. There's a 받침, so you should put 이, right? But it is rather solid, like written text style. In spoken Korean, we usually put 이 for calling, so 영숙이. And you just put 가. Why? 이 has no 받침, right? So 영숙이가 왔어요. Okay? This is more natural. Good. Now, let's move to other particles. Okay, you can see 은 and 는, right? Technically, these particles are not classified as ones for subjects. Okay? These are for topic words. However, we normally use these particles for making subjects. Thus, just think of them as ones for subjects, okay? You can use liberally, okay? So, take a look at first, 은. When there is a 받침, we use 은. So, 연필은 길어요. Because of lir, right? And 선생님은 잘생겼어요. 선생님은 because of 미음, right? The 받침. And 필통은 커요. So 받침, 이응 받침. You can understand, right? Good. And 는. When there is no 받침, we use 는. 컴퓨터는 비싸요. There's no 받침, right? 는. And 날씨는 좋아요. There's no 받침. So we just put 는. 사과는 맛있어요. There's no 받침, right? Good. But when nouns are people's names, is there a small difference? Yes. Smart. The same rule applies to it. So when there's no 받침, you just put 는. So 영수는 왔어요. However, if the name has 받침, like 영숙, in that case, you can just follow the rule, like 영숙은 왔다. However, it is solid. So in spoken Korean, you just put 이, so 영숙이는 왔어요. This is more natural. And 이 has no 받침, so you should put 는. So 이는. 영숙이는 왔어요. That is natural. Okay? Good. Now, let's wrap it up. Today, we learned the postpositional particles, 조사, especially for making subjects. Okay? Then, let's get started. Which one do we have to use for each question? First, which one do we have to use? Good. 경숙이가 예뻐요, right? Good. And second, which one? Good. 아빠는 최고다. 는, right? And the third, good. 필통이 싸다. 필통이 싸다. Okay? And the last thing, great. 경수는 잘생겼다. 경수는 잘생겼다. Well done. You can understand what we learned today? 조사, postpositional particles, seems difficult, but in fact, it is not that hard. So please trust yourself and review it enough, okay? Good. In the next class, we'll learn 조사, postpositional particles for making objects and verbs. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye-bye.